So, hello everyone, my name is Kia and I'm here with you to share the how to protect your Windows security. Windows R, then type our input lumgr.msc, then click users, then go to guest account. So as you can see in actions, we don't have guest account, so wala tayo dito na mga guest account. So next is the setting account lockout. So in setting account lockout, so how to set account lockout, so call MSC, then enter, then go to account policies, open, then go to account lockout policy, then account duration, account lockout threshold properties, so 5, so butang na to 5, then and reset account lockout, and reset account lockout. So we have 60 minutes, so pwede pa din pataason, pwede pagamayon. So and the module is we have to consider 60, so 60 minutes account for lockout. Then next is the access control. So how to stop sharing unnecessary shared folders, input fsmgmt.msc, then I have share mga folders that share seasons of open files, so click shares, then so wala man tayong mga mga other shares kay one user naman, which is ako man siya, so wala tayong mga shares. And so mga files na to, mga files na kuan, so na siya. So next is the system security. So widget it, then so click local machine, so click local machine, then find software, then find Microsoft, then find some Microsoft. Under the Microsoft, find the Windows NT. Click the Windows NT, then current version, then sa current version, find the WinLogon. So click, then if you find there is a default password entry, then delete. So how to delete is top up program. So input msconfig into find the, so select the startup and find and check for unauthorized or unnecessary programs, so you can disable the unnecessary program para dili siya maka access So security. So in service, so how to stop unnecessary stop a service. So input services.msc, then enter OK. Then so this is our mga services, no? So you can see nata startup type. So startup type, pwede mo siya i-disable. So kanang mga unnecessary na mga service, pwede mo siya i-disable. Then so is a Windows feature that lets you control another computer from your own device. So we need to be careful, no? So pag mag-remote desktop connection ta, because it's give full control of your computer. So someone, mga untrusted, maka-access siya sa imong computer, so they can erase your files, change settings, or ma-hack ang imong system. So that's all, and thank you.